Hello students, today may focus on grade 10 worksheets. Instruction number 1 mainly rooted on true or false. Question number 1 video is integral part of multimedia. Question number 2 PowerPoint can include multimedia file like audio and video. Question number 3. Analyzing is the last phase of multimedia authoring. Question number 4. PowerPoint are used for numerical calculations and data analysis. Question number 5. System application includes example like Microsoft Access and Adobe Photoshop. Instruction Roma number 2. Choose the correct answer from the given alternative. Question number 6. What is the role of production managers? A. Work on multimedia elements. B. Integrates VR in product. C. Coordinates production. D. Coders. Question number 7. What is the role of content specialist? A. Work on multimedia. B. Integrate VR into product. C. Perform research. D. Coordinate production. Question number 8. What is the role of scriptwriter? A. Work on multimedia element. B. Integrate VR in product. C. Perform research. D. Coordinate production. Number 8. What is the role of multimedia architect? A. Work on multimedia element. B. Integrates VR into product. C. Perform research. D. Coordinate production. Question number 9. What is the role of computer graphics artist? A. Work on multimedia element. B. Logo and animation creators. C. Perform research. D. Coordinate productions. Question number 10. What is the role of computer programmers? A. Work on multimedia element. B. Integrate VR in product. C. Coder. D. Coordinate production. Question 1.1. What is the primary purpose of system software? A. To perform specific tasks for users. B. To manage hardware and the basic system operation. C. To edit photo and video. D. To assist in preparing presentation. Question 1.2. Which of the following is no core component of multimedia? A. Text. B. Audio. C. Animation. D. Hardware. Question 1.3. Which software is now commonly used for creating animation in multimedia production? A. Corel Draw. B. 3 Max. C. VLC multimedia players. D. A and C. Question 1.4. What is the primary goal of testing stage in multimedia authoring? A. To create storyboard. B. To ensure functionality. C. To export the files. D. To plan distribution strategy. Question 1.5. Which of the following is the first stage in multimedia production? A. Planning. B. Pre-production. C. Distribution. D. Test. Question Roman number 3. No number 4. Show answer. Question 1.6. Write multimedia authoring charts. Question 1.7. Write multimedia authoring stages. Some stages are these that related with outsourcing multimedia. Question 1 add what is the difference between analysis and design multimedia outsourcing? 19 write component of multimedia. Question 20 what is the importance of multimedia in education, entertainment, healthcare, and the public place? Question 21 write the multimedia outsourcing package at least for. 22 what is image processing mean? 23 give some examples of application software and the system software. Question 24 what is the difference between application software and system software? Question 25 write image processing application. 26 what is the key difference between multimedia and hypermedia? 27 write an examples of hypermedia. Question 2a write an examples of multimedia. 29 what is the functions of equation in Excel? A is equal to sum a1 d1 max a1 d1 mean a1 d1 and so on. Question 30 write extension file for word processor. Question 31 write extension file for access. Question 32 write extension file of PowerPoint. 33 what is the difference between PowerPoint, spreadsheets, and word processing? Question 34 write the file format of sound in multimedia. Write file format of image in multimedia. Write file format of video in multimedia. Write file format of animation in multimedia. 38 JPG stand for dash. PNG stand for dash. MIDI stand for dash. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.